Having trouble with Facebook Messenger on your iPhone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to get it working again. First, you want to check your internet connection. You want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If that doesn't work, you want to toggle on the airplane mode. Toggle it on, then wait for a couple of seconds. After that, you want to turn it off again. Do this until you have a stable internet. Next, you want to force quit Messenger. To do that, you want to completely close the Messenger app. Then swipe up from the bottom to open the app switcher. Now swipe Messenger off your screen. Then you want to reopen it. If that fails, then you want to clear the cache. For that, launch Open Settings. Tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Now select Messenger. Here select Offload App. Tap on Offload App again. Once that is completed, you want to select the Reinstall App option. Now this resets corrupted data without affecting your chat stored on Facebook server. If that doesn't work, you want to make sure you're using the latest version of the app. To check, you want to open up App Store. Now search Messenger. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. And by following these steps, you will be able to fix the Messenger app not working on iPhone. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.